All right, talking about 0.8928613489. It's the pipes right here, and that's connecting to a point 0.3 liter of per 900 liters per 6 decimal points. Each decimal is 604. So if you go down zero point 0.8 to that would be equal this right here, going towards anything that you need. So this one's much more simpler. That would be the RS-25 pump, and it would go towards the exhaust of that particular rocket, pumping out the gas, and then you need a spark plug to ignite the gas. All of that is 900-248. That's 600.38 right there. That line. This line is 900, so it goes about 5,000 operations in each particular line of cylinders and pipes connected towards the engine. As you can see, the engine right there, all of that. This particular valve with oil will be removed. There will be no oils and anything like that, so that will have to be sealed. And all of the particular devices connected to the microchips here, that will have to be taken out, and all of that will be connected directly to the engine. And you would need to take the reservoir here, and that will be taken as the gas pump and gas line reservoirs for liquid oxygen, hydrogen gas, and everything else in the reservoir like that size. For this size right here, it could be 2 reservoirs connected to the engine over there, right here, and that would be 900.8. Thanks.